Yes.
My laptop are saying to me that there is two Deepika Vinayak.
Yeah.
But why they are so?
I'm using two
Excuse me,
devices. So yes, ma'am.
yesterday we were not here. So yesterday
Oh.
fourth table was done.
No, it was not done.
Yes.
Yesterday I have given
Acha.
them note. They have written
Huh.
2 and 3 table in the notebook.
Now
Only 2 and 3 table. Only that much.
Yeah, only
That
that
he has
much.
done.
Only that much have done. Yeah. Both yeah.
excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Now I'm understood you are taking two devices.
Everyone, please go on.
आता
And
prayer करायची बेटा.
do a school prayer. So join your hands, everyone. Join your hands. Join your hands, guys. Join your hands and mute your audio, everyone. Mute your audio. Dear God, we open the doors wide of our school and invite you in. Please be straight and learn. Fill us with happiness as we discover more about the world. Guide our creativity to express ourselves in art, music, and movement. Help us to share, care for, and love one another. Empower us and protect us as we run and play outside. Please come and be a part of everything we do today. Thank you. Close your eyes. We'll say a Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurvasvaham Tatsaviturvare Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Om Bhurvasvaham Tatsaviturvareniyam Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Place it on your eyes. Slowly open it.
Happy
morning.
morning, ma'am. Happy 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 morning, ma'am.
Okay, so let's begin our class now. Okay. Now you all go on mute. Mute your audio.
Open.
2 and 3 table is done. Now we are going to learn the table of 4. Table of 4. 1 times 4, 2 times 4. This is also repeating addition of 4. So everyone, page number 8. Page number 8. And write today's date and tick for class work. Do that work quickly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
One day,
Yes.
my table
Hmm.
4 and 2 and 5 and 4
Hmm. Okay, so now have you written date? Have you written date in your book? Sharav, you have to write in your book, dear, not on the screen.
Excuse me, ma'am. मैंने 2 बुक की रिवीजन करना शुरू कर दिया.
Okay, very good, dear, very good. Next week you are having exam, no?
Yeah.
You all have to start. Huh?
Done this book. Done this book. I remember the 2 and 3 table also.
Oh, very good, very good. So now, all ready? Have you written date?
Yes.
Today's date, 9. Okay, so we'll start. First one is 1 time 4. 4 ones are 4.
Excuse me, ma'am.
4 ones are 4. So we have to, yes,
Ma'am, this is Sanchita speaking.
tell me.
Ma'am, I don't know 4 tables.
We are doing now. We are learning now. Okay.
But
So
4
1
ones
time
are
4,
4 inside.
1 time 4 is 4. 4 ones are 4. So we have to color 4 boxes. Okay. Here only ones.
Can I color with my this pencil?
Here it is there already. Okay. It's there already. 4 ones are 4. It's already colored the boxes. 4 boxes. Now we'll go to 4 twos are. That is 2 times 4. We are adding 4 2 times. 1, 2. 2 times 4. So 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. 2 times 4. 4 plus 4 is 4 in a mind, 4 in a hand. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 twos are, or 2 times 4 is 8. So we have to color 8 boxes. First 4, 1 time 4. And 2 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 boxes. 4 twos are 8, or 2 times 4 is 8. So learn 2. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Is it done? Should I go to 4 threes are, or 3 times 4? I have to erase this. Okay, we'll go to now 3 times 4. 3 times 4. We have to add 4 3 times. 4 1 time plus 4 1 time. Sorry, 2 times plus 4 3 times. So I have written 3 times. Now we know that 2 times 4 is how much? 4 twos are 8, right? 4 twos are 8. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 4. 8 in a mind, 4 in a hand. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. Tell me, ask quickly.
I don't know 4 table.
Arey Baba, I'm explaining you. No, you have to see this. Nobody knows. We are learning now.
Oh.
4 threes are. See here. 4 threes are means what? 3 times 4. And see here. 3 times 4. We have to write 4 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay. So 2 times 4 is 8. We have learned that. Plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 3 times 4 we have to color. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. We also have to learn now itself these three. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. Learn. Tavya, learn. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. So that it will be easy for you all. Say again. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. So now we'll go to 4 fours are. We have to add 4 times. We have to write 4 times. 4. 1 time I have written plus 4. 2 times plus 4. 3 times plus 4 is 4 times. 4 times.
I know the answer, Mark.
Ekaksh
Yes.
and Arohi, mute your audio.
मैम मुझे फाइव का भी आता है.
Mute your audio, Arohi.
Right in the notebook.
In the textbook. You have to write in the textbook, not in the notebook. Page number 8. So 4, we have to add 4 times. Now we know that 4 threes are. 3 times 4 is 12. We have learned that, right? 3 fours are 12. Now add another 4 for 12. 12 plus 4. 13, 12 in the mind, 4 in a hand. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. So 4 fours are 16. So we have to color 16 boxes. 1 times 4, 4 times 4. 2 times 4, 3 times 4, 4 times 4. So now again you have to say this. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I have doubt.
tell me.
I write it 4 threes are 6, not 12.
4 threes are 12, right? Add these 4 times, 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4, how much? We have to add 4 3 times. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Again 8 plus 4 is 12.
Ma'am, we will color these boxes too.
You have to color.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I can tell you 5 answer.
Which one?
5.
Wait. Let them write all this till 4 fours are 16. 4 ones are, after writing, read this. 4 ones are 4, learn this. 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Learn that.
I can tell you 5 answer, Ravi.
Wait. So now, I hope you all done till 4. 4s are 16. So we'll go to now 4 5s are 5 times
4 5s are 20,
4.
ma'am.
So we'll go to 4 5s are now. We have to add 4 5 times. We have to add 4 5 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So here we know that 4 times 4 is 16. We have learned that before. 4 plus 4. Here we know that 4 plus 4 is 4 into 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. So plus 4 we have to add. For 16, for 16 we have to add plus 4. 16 in the mind, 4 in the hand. After 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the answer is 4 5s are 20.
20.
4 5s are 20. Now I am going to ask the questions to few students. Till 4 5s are 20, you have to tell me. Okay, Ishan, tell me the table of 4.
4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 18, 4 6s are 17.
20.
Hey, wait. 4 4s are
16.
4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20.
Okay. Yeah, enough, dear, enough. 4 5s are 20. We will see 4 6 are later, okay? 4 5s are 20. Okay, you have to say. Okay, Anant, tell me, Anant. Till 4 5s are, okay? Anant.
Madam Ganad. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Table till 4 5s are 20. Tell me, Anant.
4 5s are 20.
Till there you tell me. 4 1s are
4 1s are 4, 4
hmm,
2s are 8, 4 3s are 12,
hmm.
4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20.
4 5s are 20. Okay, very good. Akash, why is your audio is on unmute?
Ma'am Ganad. No, ma'am.
Akash, mute your audio. Kanad, mute your audio. So we'll go to 4 6 are.
Ma'am, 4 6s are 24.
So we have to write 4 6 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Ishan plus 4 plus 4 6 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Kanad, you all write in your book. Don't write on the screen.
वरच्यावर असं करत
I will
होता
do
ना.
that
I'm
work.
sorry, ma'am. Sorry, I will not do now.
Yeah. Nobody will write on the screen. So 6 times 4. We know that 5 times 4 is 20. We know that 5 times 4 is 20. Now for that we have to add plus 4. Because it is 6 times 4. 20 plus 4. 24. 20 plus 4 is 24. 21, 22, 23, 24. So 6 times 4 or 4 6 are 24. And you have to color 6 times 4. Six times 4 is 24. 4 6 are 24.
मेरे लिए रुक जाओ। I'm done.
So now 7 times 4. 7 times 4. 4 plus 4 plus 7 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is for 24. We have to add again 1 time 4. So 24 plus 4. 25, 26, 27, 28. 7 times 4 is 28. So 7 times 4 we have to color.
Done.
Done? 7 times 4 is done, everyone. We'll go to 8 times 4. Okay.
Ma'am, I have done. I done till
Okay, dear.
Okay, dear.
will go to 8 times 4.
Ma'am, do we have exams?
Yes, ma'am.
Do we have exams from the next week?
Yes, ma'am. From 15th.
From 15.
Yeah, I did not get timetable, ma'am. Didn't get timetable. It's in the
Ma'am, the app is not working over it, ma'am.
Sorry,
Ma'am.
The app is not working.
not working.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मम्मा पहले तू जा.
Adila
I'm not
Bisma.
sure about other parents. The app is not available.
I'm unable to open that app.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will convey this to ma'am. Okay, principal ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. From 15th,
Ma'am,
the exam
can
will
you,
start.
ma'am, can you send the details about that exam on WhatsApp?
Yeah, I will tell ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am
Okay.
will send you. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
So now we'll go to 8 times 4. Okay. 8 times 4. So 7 times 4 is how much? 28. 7 times 4 is 28. Now we'll go to 8 times 4. For 28, we have to add 1 times 4. 28 plus 4 is how much? 28 plus 4. Ravi, 28 plus 4?
32.
38 plus 4 is 32. So 8 times 4 is 32. Color 8 boxes.
Ma'am.
Okay. So now 9 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. So 9 times 4. 32 plus 4. 32 plus 4. Yes, Avik, 32 plus 4 is how much? 32 plus 4. 8 times 4 is 32. We need 9 times 4 and add 2. So 32 plus
36. Ma'am.
30.
Answer.
36. Now, at the end, 10 times 4. 4 is 36. So 10 times 4 and 4. Another 4 for 36.
I know 1.
So that is 4.
I took
36 plus 4.
And I know the answer.
What is the answer? 40. Four 10. So we have to color all the 10 boxes. Whole times 4. So those who are done, learn the table of 4. I'm going to ask the question now. Quickly learn. I'm going to ask questions now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैं होमवर्क में कर लूं. 4
Yes, homework is also that only. You have to learn the table of 4. So now my question I'm seeing here. So running table of mutant. Learn. You can use who is that? Ekaksh. How many times I told you? Ekaksh. So I'm seeing here how many of you are learning. So all the students who are learning.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh? You are done. So you can say without saying.
Yes.
Is it done now?
Yes.
Okay, so all mute. I know all are done. Mute your audio. That's it. Mute your audio. Quickly. Okay, Arnav. You start. Four ones are from the beginning.
4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 16. 4 fives are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 2. And if any 4 tens are 40.
Well done now. Very good. Wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now, who is ready? Next.
Ma'am, am I ready? Ma'am,
Raise your hand using the. You are not supposed to unmute.
My turn.
Okay, Vivan. He's just raising his hand. He's not disturbing. Yes, Vivan.
4 ones are 8. 12, 4 6 are 24. 4 7 are 20. 4 32. 4 6. 4 10 are 40.
Very good. Very good, Vivan. Very good. Nice. Okay, so next. Yes, Avi.
4 ones are 4. 4.
Who is that saying? Huh?
Ravi.
No. Yes.
4 4 6 28 4 4 8 are 62, 4 9 are 36, 4 10 are 40.
Avik, very good, Avik, but you have to tell without saying. Okay, so learn now. Now you have to learn. Okay.
Oh, I can tell. Three sevens are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are
Yes, Aradhya.
3 10s are 30. Okay. 4 was the 4.
Okay, 1 second. Aradhya, wait.
Okay.
Aradhya, wait. Nirvan, mute your audio, Nirvan.
I am not mute.
Audio, dear. Yes. Okay, Aradhya.
4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4
Very good. Very good. Wonderful. Without saying. Very good, Aradhya. So now, yes, Ravi is ready.
Oh, yes, ma'am. 4 1s are
Without saying.
4.
Huh.
Yes. 4 4 2s are 4 3 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 7s are 20. 4
Yeah.
4 8 2. 4 40. 4 4 4 are 32. 4 9 are 46. 4
Arey, 36 lines are 36.
and are 4.
Next, say you have Ravi. Okay. Yes, dear. Kartik.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, Kartik.
4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 4. 4 are 24. 4 6 are
4.
7s are 28 are 32.
Hmm.
30, 40.
Good. Very nice.
Marus.
Okay, so next.
Marus. Marus.
Where is ours? Yes, Arush. Yes, Arush. Where is Arush? I'm not getting.
8, 4 3s are 12, 6s are
4 4s are.
16,
4 4s are
20,
14.
4 4 are 16, 4 5 are 20, 4 7
Yeah.
4 4 8 are 7 28, 4 2, 4, 30, 4, 10.
Very good. Very nice. Wonderful, dear.
Ma'am, Nabi.
So next, okay. I'll ask in the class. Okay. They have learned two. I'm going to ask all the tables.
Bye. Everybody. Bye. Bye, Deepika ma'am.
Bye. So, leave or add